We set off for Koh RoK early in the morning, departing from Koh Mook, which took only 45 minutes. Upon arrival, what we immediately noticed was the extremely crystal clear water around the island. So clear that we could see the seafloor and the coral reefs below. We were very excited and quickly prepared to dive to see the beauty of the sea here. There are many beautiful coral reefs, various marine fish, and sea creatures, as well as colorful sea flowers. Everything was so incredibly beautiful that we wished we could hold our breath longer. We dived here from the morning until almost noon. After lunch, we sat and relaxed, enjoying the beautiful view on the very fine white sandy beach, looking out to the blue sea that gradually changed color, extending up to the sky. We rested and played on the beach of Koh RoK for a while. Therefore, we decided to head back to the island, but we wanted to make a stop at Koh RoK before returning, as it was conveniently on the way, to see the island with the most beautiful beach in the world. When we arrived, it was already when the sea began to recede, but it was still very beautiful and calm. The management and conservation of the island by the national park and the local community here are quite good, especially in terms of cleanliness and conservation. We will definitely come back and spend more time here for sure.